It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.